Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, live from Total Value RV right here at Elkhart, Indiana, the RV capital of the world. What I wanted to show you is one of our newest additions to our family. It is a 2020 26 FKBS SD Flagstaff Super Lite. They've done some really neat things in 2020, so let's take a look around at it. First of all, what you've got right here in the front is you have your rock guard, so that way it doesn't damage any of your unit from any of the rocks that might come up from your tires as you're going down the road. Also in the front, you have the two power stab jacks here, which will come down and will stabilize for you on that side, and you have some in the back as well. You come around to the front here. In 2020, they're offering you 2 batteries, and the reason they're offering you 2 batteries is because here in 2020 they are offering you the solar panels, which you can get as a little plug-in right there. It's like a suitcase. It'll come out, and that way you can run your lights. If you're doing some dry camping, you're getting off the beaten path, you can run right off of the solar. So you can have the 2 batteries up in the front. You have the 2 30-pound LP bottles with the automatic switch over. We brought in with the power tongue jack, which will crank up and down for you here to hook onto your truck. Also has the light right here, and then up on top, if something does happen to the power, you do have the manual override here. Okay, come on around in 2020, you can see they've given you the nice automotively bonded front window, so that way it allows some natural light in there for you, and you do have a nice shade which will cover all of that. You have the LED lights right here in the front. You can also see they've kind of changed their logo in 2020, so they went to the Flagstaff and then saying the Super Lite. I think it looks pretty sharp. This is in the tan fiberglass, so this here is tan all the way through, and it's a vacuum bonded sidewall, and they also vacuum bond your slides on your sidewall as well too. So you come on around, you have the frameless windows. Up here, nice thing on these frameless windows, number one, they're hinged at the top, so they're going to open up more for you. And also, if it's raining or whatever it may be, you can open up these windows, and you don't have to worry about the rain coming in. Plus, all of your seals are covered for you, so you don't have to worry about them discoloring or anything of that nature. You come back here, you have where you can dump your gray and your black tank. On this particular model, you have 60 gallons of fresh, 90 gallons of gray, and 45 gallons of black. Another nice thing they've done for you in 2020, you'll notice there on the tires how you have the green on your air control there. So what this has done for you in 2020 is they're giving you a tire pressure monitoring system that you can hook up right to your truck, so you don't have to worry about wondering if you've got enough air in your tires. It's all right into this system. Also had the aluminum rims. It's the Dexter axles where you have the independent suspension, where it's independent side to side and front to back for you. Okay, and then here you have some outside storage. You'll notice on your storage doors they also have the magnets, so it'll stick right up there. What you'll notice here, this is under the bed, guys, but look how they're putting the bed together. It's all framed out in the aluminum, so it's not framed out in the wood, so it's going to give you a much stronger construction, plus it's going to be lighter weight for you. The slam latch baggage doors, so you just shut your doors there. Come to the back in 2020, then they give you the nice new handles here, so it's going to be easy to get that cover off in order to put your sewer hose in the bumper there. This particular one we brought in with the 50 amp service. So this here, you can see it's all marine sealed, so you don't have to worry about the ants or any of the bugs walking in. Plus this here, if you're plugged in, this light will light up for you until you're getting power from your source. So if you don't have power on the inside, you know you've got a fuse or something of that nature. If the light's not on, you're not getting power from your source. You also notice back here, they offer you the backup camera, which is a wireless system. It's a plug-and-play system. You can put it in there. The monitor will sit in your truck, and then that way you can see what's going on back here. You have the spare tire in the back. Another nice thing you'll notice on the roof is how it's the arched roof. So that way you're going to get a nice, good water runoff. You've got the TPO roof with the 12-year warranty on there for you. Okay, and it's a fully decked roof, so you got your ladder here, so you can go up there and do your yearly maintenance, cover your seals, and different things of that nature. Back here you have, if the place you're at is offering cable, or if you have a satellite, you have a little light back here. Then here you have your city water connection, and then here you have, in order to do your antifreeze right here, and that's where you can just put it into the tank and it'll run all the way through. Here's where you have your gravity fill, so if you want to put some water in before you leave, that'll go directly into your tank. You have your outside shower right here, and then this is the controls for the back stabilizer jacks, and then you also have your freshwater drain down here as well. Okay, you can see you have the MoreRide step systems. It's a lot sturdier step, 3 steps, adjustable legs on the bottom, so if you have different levels you can adjust it right there. Come to the patio. What you'll notice on this unit here is look how big the patio awning is. It's a 20-foot patio awning. It's a power awning, which you can also adjust for if you're leaving in order to get water runoff. So you're going to have a nice big patio right here to sit under. You've got your plug-ins right here. You've got to hook into your antenna. Here's where you can hook up your outside TV. Here you also have for your black water flush. You just hook your water hose up to this, open the black water tank, and it's going to clean it out for you. Okay, you have a little place there that you can put a table, so if you want to put some food on there. And up here, it comes with an outside grill, so you can put the outside grill right here, and then you have the LP Quick Connect right down there. Your gas electric hot water heater. Let me see if we showed you this too. Oh guys, sorry, we're going to go back to the front, but I wanted to show you something, a little thing for 2020. You know, normally you're going down the road, you're just going to have this cord here kind of hanging out. Well, Flagstaff thought, why don't we put a little place to put your cord? So look what they've done for you. Right here, and then your cord just sits right in there. It's a small little thing, but it makes life just a little bit easier. So they're always thinking about you. This is a great floor plan too, guys. Here's some more storage. There's your 50 amp cord. This is something neat that we discovered this morning. Okay, so you have your little tools here. Okay, easy to come off, but look how they go back on. It's all done by a magnet. No more hooks. Just small little things. Kind of makes you smile and be happy. There it is. Okay, so now you want to go inside. You can see here on your main entrance you've got the wider door, so that way you can have easy access to getting your food, your gear in and out of the trailer itself. Okay, so we're going to come on in. Right when you first walk in, you can have a little coat closet there, or you have adjustable shelves. You could use as a pantry or whatever it may be. Here's where you have your command center, as they have on the Star Trek Enterprise. Okay, so here you have where you can see what's in your gray tank. You've got two gray tanks on the front kitchen. You got one gray tank for the kitchen up front and a gray tank for the bath there. Your black water tank and then your fresh water, and you can check your batteries right here. Here's where you turn on your hot water heater. You can either do it on the gas side or the electric side. Turn your water pump on if you're dry camping. And then here's for your tank heaters. You just flip that on. It gets below 35 degrees. Kick on the heating pads on the bottom of the holding tanks, so that way they don't freeze up for you. Put your slides in and out. Extend the awning right here. And then here's where you can turn on some interior lights, your porch light. There's lights in the LED lights in the awning, your step light. And then this here is for your Wi-Fi booster. The Wi-Fi booster, what that'll do for you, say if the Wi-Fi is down at the other end or you're close to Wi-Fi, that'll take that signal and boost it for you, so that way you get a stronger signal here in your coach. Okay, here's your control for all your air conditioning or your heat, just like home. You set it up where you want it. This particular one has two zones, because remember we had 50 amp service, and you could get the second air. And this one here, we did not bring it in with the second air, but if you do get the second air, it's already wired because you have 50 amp service. Okay, front kitchen. My wife loves this floor plan. This is the floor plan that we have personally. Look at all of the countertop space that you have. You got all of this countertop space here. There's your nice big window, so when you're sitting in the kitchen cooking, whatever it may be, you got light. All solid surface countertops. Stainless steel sink with dual side sinks, one for the wash, one for the rinse. High-rise residential faucet. You even have a plug-in right there. You got the 3-burner cooktop here, which will fold up. And there you got your 3 burners, and then you have the nice big oven here in 2020 as well. Okay, and then you have the nice big refrigerator, Dometic refrigerator, which is gas or electric. It's got the nice big freezer, and a nice big refrigerator. Here's some cool things they give you. You got your little flipper for your grill. You got your water filter right here. Remember we talked about the tire pressure monitoring system. There it is with the color display. Okay, so just some neat little things that you get. Come with the trailer. Okay, here you also have your stainless steel microwave, which is residential size, so you can do it right there. Okay, we have some storage here. We have some storage here. Nice little drawer there. Drawer here. Storage there. Storage there. Storage there. Holy moly! Storage there. There. There, and there. So let's just see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 doors and drawers. Amazing. That sounds great. Okay, so now on the main slide in this 26 front kitchen, you've got your dinette. This particular one here we brought in with the freestanding table and chairs. It's a little bit more comfortable for 4 adults. If you want to sit around and eat or play cards, under each one of your chairs, you're going to have a place that you can store some storage right there. Have the nice big window here. Have the windows on either end of the slide so that you can get some cross ventilation, and another window there. On this one here you also have the day-night shades all the way through. So you can have them each way, and you've got those on each window. This one here then you have the hide-a-bed. This bed will then turn in and make into another sleeping space for you. All of the carpets here are the stain and soil resistant for you from Shaw Industries. You got your Congolium all through here, which you have your furnace right there. What I like about the front kitchen, especially where they put this TV this year, if you're sitting at the dinette over there, you still got a good view. Sitting here at the couch, you got the good view of the TV. You got your sound bar right there. You got your AM FM stereo with your CD player, which you can hook up with Bluetooth. You got your fireplace right here. I like the lap seal that they've done right there on that back. Kind of give it a little bit different look. Okay? So I mean, it's set up very nice. So you got 2 doors here. If you have company come over, you can use this door and just go directly into the bedroom, or this here, then we'll take you in to the restroom and the shower area. Okay? You got your foot flush toilet. Here you've got the fantastic fan in here. You also have the air duct, and you have a heat duct that's in here. You have the outside the shower here, which you also have the glass shower door. You have the water miser system, okay, which the water miser system, what that'll do is you shut that valve off, and it'll run through your freshwater tank, through your hot water till it gets to your desired temperature. It'll turn to clear white, open it up, and that way you're not wasting water. You're not filling up your gray water tank and taking away from your fresh water. Okay, so here you have a medicine cabinet. You have some storage there. Nice big sink, place to keep your toothbrushes and your soap. Here you have a nice little pocket door, so if company is over, you can slide that shut. Remember we told you the 50 amp service. Here's where you have where you can do the AC prep sensor location, and the AC would set right up here. Okay. You have the queen size bed, which you've also got the nice little windows on either side so we can get some ventilation. A nice big window here. You also have some storage under your bed right here. Again, you can see the aluminum framing. What I really like about it is look at these big drawers down here underneath the bed. 2 big drawers. Okay? And that's a Serta mattress, so it's not just some cheap RV mattress. Here then you also have, with having the bed slide, you also have the ability to have a nice big closet. You got it on either side. Okay? And then down here, storage there, storage there, storage there, storage there. So you got a lot of storage, guys. This is a great floor plan, I think, that you can get out and enjoy this great country of ours. Have a nice little kitchen, cook something to eat, have a nice little bedroom back in here, nice little comfortable place, freestanding dinette, couch, nice little viewing area here. I think it marks all the check boxes. So you might say, hey, how do you get a hold of us? Well, we have a phone. You can call us at 866-282-4460. You can visit us on the web at totalvaluerv.com. Or if you want to get on the toll road, you can get off at exit 92, which is State Road 19. Take a right at the first light, come to the next light, take another right, go through the 4-way stop, take another right. So 3 right turns in order to make the right decision. If you saw something in this video that you had some questions about, feel free to email us and let us know. Or if you want to see a video of any other products that we have, we're a full-line Flagstaff dealer, so we can get you anything as far as Flagstaff. Like we like to say here, you come in as strangers and you leave as friends. If you're still here, thanks for watching.
Some beautiful, beautiful skies out here. So Scotty is the ombudsman.
Yes.
I note that this fitting is kind of a gray.
Okay. The sun is coming down.
But not to worry.
Not to worry.
I want you to verify this, but not to worry. As soon as cold water goes through that again, it'll turn blue.
Ding.
So.
Ding. Correct. Right. Alex, I will take what is correct answer for 1,000.